Hey party people, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that literally every single DJ encounters in their career. Handling difficult song requests that might not quite fit the vibe, but fear not guys, I've got some awesome tips and tricks to keep your dance floors full. So, grab something to drink, hang out, let's dive in. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody had an incredible new year and you guys are just ready to rock out for 2024. It's going to be an amazing year for so many people. And I'm just so looking forward to not just getting back into weddings and private events and all the craziness that goes on, but I'm also looking forward to seeing what some of you guys out there do for your events. I've already seen a preview from some of you guys, and man, some of your guys' setups and some of the things that you guys are planning to do for 2024 is just absolutely amazing, and I'm all in. I love it, and I can't wait to see what you guys do over the next 12 months. Like I said in the beginning, this is going to be all about how to deal with difficult song requests. We as DJs, we always get these types of things no matter what type of event we're doing. It could be a birthday party, it could be a wedding, it could be even a bar or club event. And these requests, they just don't fit the vibe or the energy or the theme. And you know, I think it's important that we talk about how to overcome some of these difficult song requests and how we can actually talk to the people who are actually giving these horrible, terrible requests that they think are the greatest thing in the world and everyone's going to come to the dance floor and everyone's going to love it, but really they're the only ones that really like it. So I'm going to just give you guys a few quick tips to kind of go over these things and explain and help and guide and advise, because if you're a brand new DJ, you might not know what to do or how to handle really bad song requests. So I think this is a critical piece of information that new DJs should really know about. Before we get into these tips, as always, thank you to everybody who has liked, commented, and subscribed to the channel. You guys are rock stars. Thank you. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. You guys know the deal. And be sure to hit the bell notification, because I do try to put these videos out just about every week. I might skip a week or two here and there, but I do put regular content on my channel. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification, you don't miss out anything, and you'll always be in the know. Okay, let's go into this. Tip number 1. You have to establish a pre-event playlist. So what does that mean? So one of the best ways to avoid any type of awkward requests is by curating a killer pre-event playlist. You want to craft a mix that matches the event's vibe and the energy, and obviously the theme of the event as well. It sets your tone and it helps guide the musical journey. Here's something really to really keep in mind, to always remember that as a DJ, you always have to be ready to adapt. Tip number 2, friendly communication. So what does that mean? Communication is always key. When that unexpected request comes in, you want to make sure you engage with the person who's requesting it. Politely explain that you have carefully planned a playlist, but assure them that you'll do your best to incorporate similar tracks, alternative tracks that really fit the mood. It's all about making everyone feel like you heard them and you value them. Now, the number 1 word to take away from this tip is friendly. Don't be a dick. When someone comes up and requests something to you guys and it doesn't fit the mood, the energy, the vibe, don't come across as a diva DJ or an a-hole or a jerk or whatever. Make sure that you're very professional, you are kind, you are nice, and explain to them in a friendly way so that they don't walk away thinking this guy is the biggest jerk in the world. So always be friendly when you're communicating back to the person who is giving you a really bad request. Number 3, offer alternatives. So when someone comes up and they request something that is just absolutely terrible, suggest alternatives to the bad request. It's a great way to navigate any type of tricky or bad or just not good requests that fit the vibe. If a song doesn't quite fit and you offer a similar track that does align better with the overall vibe, it works out for everybody. So maybe you could do a live mashup where it's the vocals of the bad request, but the instrumentals of a really popular song that does fit the vibe. This way, you're still accommodating the person's bad requests, but you're still keeping the party on track. You're still fitting the theme. You're still keeping the vibe and the energy going. And it just makes everybody happy. My last and final tip, number 4, know when to bend. So what does it mean to bend? Sometimes it's okay to bend a little bit and cater to the bad request. If someone comes up to you and they request something that is terrible and it's kind of sort of aligns with the overall vibe and it won't disrupt the atmosphere, go for it.
Do it!
Maybe quick mix in and out of it, or just play a shorter version of their song. Remember guys, the biggest and number one thing that you got to do as a DJ is that you're there to keep the dance floor alive and kicking, as well as making sure everyone is as happy as possible. So if somebody comes up and they request something that is absolutely terrible, but you're able to mix in and out of it or play it quickly and it doesn't disrupt anything, that person is going to leave the event, leave the bar, leave the club, and they're going to remember that you catered to their terrible request and you were able to play it. So what does that mean? If they leave happy, they're more inclined to refer you, to promote you, or even come back to the bar or the club next week. So being able to bend a little bit and cater to everybody, even if it's a really bad request, pretty much will make you a rock star in everybody's eyes. And there you have it. 4 easy, simple, quick tips for handling difficult, horrible, terrible song requests without missing a beat. Remember guys, it's all about finding that perfect balance between meeting guest or patron expectations and maintaining the event's energy and vibe and theme. If you've got more tips and stories or ideas to share about dealing with really bad requests, drop a comment. Leave a note. Tell me, what do you guys do when someone comes up and they request something that is just so bad, so horrible? What do you guys do? Let me know. But until next time, guys, keep the music pumping, keep the party jumping. A day without dancing is a day wasted. Until next time, take care of yourselves, be nice humans, be good people, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Take care.